Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the front foot impossible in Skate 4. Now, the impossible set of tricks are a new line of tricks that have been added in the Season 2 update of Skate, and they're super cool, unique trick that can really add some variation into your trick lines. Now, to do the front foot impossible, keep in mind I'm playing on goofy stance, so if you're playing regular, you will need to basically reverse these steps. However, to do the front foot impossible, you need to bring your right stick down and you need to flick it in a full 360 clockwise. So if you wanted to do a regular impossible in goofy stance, you would spin your stick counterclockwise like so, giving you an impossible. However, when you spin it clockwise, you'll be using your front foot to pop off and it will give you the front foot impossible, just like so. So yeah, really simple. Bring your stick down and in a full 360, oh, not like that. In a full 360, spin it completely clockwise, just like so, and you'll have hit the front foot impossible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more if you enjoyed this video. Thanks, bye.